Hello friends, here's Danu's grandpa. One day while fixing the roof, he accidentally kicked the bucket. And this was my uncle's old scooter. He said that it kicked the bucket last Friday. Therefore, he moved to a new one. And also, I met Nisha yesterday and she was crying because her talkative parrot had kicked the bucket after many years of entertaining her with its toys. She is now considering adopting a new feathered friend. So friends, I came with another idiom. This is the 6th idiom of our video series. I think now you have guessed its meaning. Of course, it implies that someone has died or something has broken. To clarify this, I extracted examples from the previous stories. So, the first example, one day while fixing the roof, he accidentally kicked the bucket. This was about Danu's grandpa. He had died while he was fixing the roof of his house. Next example, he said that it kicked the bucket last Friday. It was about my uncle's old scooter. It had broken. Last one, she was crying because her talkative parrot had kicked the bucket. Nisha's pet parrot had died. Now you don't want to worry about the connection between kicking a bucket and the death of a person. So friends, as I mentioned earlier, we can use this phrase or the idiom kick the bucket to imply that someone has died or something has broken. Now it's your turn to make more sentences and practice when you are speaking. That's for all today. And wait for the next idiom, under the weather. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications and share with your friends so then they also can learn English idioms. See you in the next video.